Hey guys, welcome to week 11 of the Seed to Seed CSA. One more week after this, so let's go ahead and see what we have in our bags this week. This is going to be the last of our sweet potatoes, so we do have some sweet potatoes in there. The meal box this week, we have a new item in there, so we'll go over that. These right here are pea shoots, so they're not sprouts, and they are not microgreens. There does seem to be some confusion about the differences. So a shoot actually will have multiple what we call true leaves, and it also has tendrils. Sometimes they can also have flowers. Still very, very nutritious for you, very sweet, and they should also be tender. Whereas microgreens is actually just the first little point of the sprout that comes from the seed, and sprouts is actually something completely different, where you sprout the seed in a glass jar and you would purchase the sprouts like that. They're more like yellow or a very light pale green, and it's not in soil at all. So again, these are pea shoots. And they should taste like peas and really sweet. These are going to be the last of the tomatoes that we have. So there's a couple tomatoes in there. We do have a bunch of radishes in here as well. So these are the small red. They're like Chinese rose, I believe is that one. We have, some of you will have ginger and turmeric. Some of you will have extra turmeric if that's what you had asked for. But so there's some ginger. There's also turmeric right there. I will leave some recipes for these, but you can use them just like you would use microgreens. So you can eat them wilted over pasta. You can put them in sandwiches, salads. You can substitute for a salad. The sprouts, and there's a couple of other ways. I'll put some links in the description for you on that one. And also, I have a really awesome recipe I found for sweet potato and ginger and turmeric soup. So I'll put that link in the description under the other one. And then we have our kale blend again this week. So the kale should be, you should be familiar with that at this point. That's going to be everything in the box this week. So next week will be our last week. I will ask that if you do have any extra bags or any of the baskets or anything like that, or any of the jars, so just take a double check and just make sure you don't have any of those. If you do, just go ahead and put them in the bag and we'll swap off next week. And then the following week, so after week 12, I will come by and I will just collect all the bags. And then from there, I'll have kind of a special little card for each of you guys. And I'm also going to be doing a survey, because we want to see kind of what you guys think or thought about the CSA, kind of highlights, maybe some low points that you guys could share with us, and just get some feedback. We will be offering a spring CSA again this year. For that, we just started advertising at our farmers market. So if you haven't been over to the farmers market, today we did have some rain and it was very cold. So when it is rainy or cold, we're actually going to be across the street in the Biotech Place building. It's literally right across the street from Bailey Park, where we set up, and it's indoors in this big open space called the atrium. So you walk in the building, you just walk straight, and you'll see it. It opens up and we set up in there. So all the farmers are in there, and we do the same things outside. It's just inside where it's cozy and dry. So, but if you are interested in a CSA for the spring, we are just starting to open those spots. So if you're interested, let me know. And current CSA holders will get a discount on the next upcoming CSA. So if you do want to go ahead and sign up for that, just let me know. You have my email, or you can message me on Facebook or Instagram, and then I can let you know what that is. It's the same system for the spring. It's a 12-week CSA that if you're within range of the farm, we can deliver for free, and we also can deliver for free to the market, which is at Bailey Park, of course, so that opens it up to people in Winston-Salem as well, and then we just swap off for 12 weeks. Alright guys, well that is going to be it for the bag this week, and thanks for checking this video out. Don't forget, the recipe links are going to be in the description below this video, and we will see you next week.